So when we have already mentioned regarding the age group, the risk factors. I think next what we want to know about what are the red flag signs and symptoms, because when the woman should be alerted and then should come to us and for further investigations.
So for the audience out there, sometimes they always think that the cancer sign is actually a normal symptom that they have. Because to be honest, if you have any growth or cancer related issues, it's always been painless. That's why they come late, or they always love to try other product first from the TikTok or social platform. They think that is can help in elevate the condition. So the most important thing that we need to highlight is intermenstrual bleeding. For example, when you have period and you're waiting for a next cycle of period, in between that you have a lot of spotting. You know, you tend to have like bleeding before the occurrence of your next cycle. So intermenstrual bleed is one of the red flag. The second red flag will be when they already have a growth on top of the cervix. When you have a sexual intercourse, they always post-coital bleed. So for example, when you have sexual intercourse and you can see that your partner complains, why there's a blood? So that is another red flag, because the cervix who already infected by the cancer is very, very fragile, and it can cause bleeding even with a blunt trauma. Okay. The third one, when it's more advanced, as usual, you can become more cachexic, you have a lot of prolonged bleeding, and sometimes you have a difficult of urination because the cancer already invade your bladder.
Okay, right. So basically the most important thing is
The
if there's any
bleeding
bleeding, basically it's bleeding per se. If there's any abnormal bleeding that is not as your routine menstrual bleed, it's actually something that
It's a red flag.
It's a red flag sign. Yeah, the woman should get screened, or not screened, should go to see a doctor or gynecologist to have a further investigation and check up.
Don't ask the person who live in TikTok about that problem, because they cannot answer your question fully.
True. Okay.